Tufandag Gabala. It's Tufandag Resort. People are enjoying ski.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends.
Hello, I'm at the top of the mountain. It's so beautiful here. You can take the swing. I'm going for sledding.
Bye.
It's a beautiful restaurant on the top of the mountains. Look at the view, it's so beautiful here. Come, I will show you the view. This is the view. I'm really enjoying the view from this restaurant. It's very beautiful. And that's my reindeer. Today's sky looks so beautiful. I had a great day here. Bye.
I will highly recommend this place if you come to visit Azerbaijan.